Hi, this is Karen with National Billiard Academy coming to you live from Break Time Billiards in Cary, North Carolina, just outside of Raleigh. Let's go inside and see this great facility, one of our newest partners for the Intensive Pool Clinic. We've got a pool clinic going on right now at Break Time Billiards. This is one of our first here. We'll be back at least twice a year. Here at Break Time, they've got 10 9-foot diamond tables, which is fabulous. The venue is really nice, full menu, great staff. We love being here at Break Time. Break Time has a full kitchen and full bar. One of the reasons why we enjoy having our intensive pool clinic here. 2-day clinic, full day Saturday and Sunday. Smaller class sizes between 8 and 12, so each student will have their own pool table to work with on the weekend and one-on-one instruction at your table, customized to your needs and your game. Click on the link below for more information about this fantastic venue, Break Time Billiards, Cary, North Carolina, and the National Billiard Academy link for more information about our intensive pool clinic. Get ready to raise your game.